What's a big turn off for you when it comes on to women?
Me nah lie, women were loud and vulgar. Me can't do it. Yeah, like everything I short, everything I cuss, no calmness, because you can be strong and confident without sounding like everything I war. Calm, carry power too. Like, dirty Sean, come wash your clothes, them dirty boy. Yeah, me not like it.
What's one question you always want to ask a woman?
Finally. Well, why women feel like every time we buy food together, you convince in your soul say my food tastes different from yours, even though the same thing.
Because it just do.
Really no. Alright, me have a question for you. What is one question you always ask a Jamaican?
Why some men chat big, but when it comes to time to put on the action, they are quiet or become jellyback, as a Jamaican woman would say.
Hey, Ira, them conversation there too big for me. Next question.